and I will be giving you a brief introduction to my project. The project is a corporate training website developed to educate the audience on the issue of global warming, greenhouse gases due to the open air burning of municipal solid waste, which I will be using MSW for that, and the overproduction of these gases, which is not only damaging our environment but also causing the depletion of atmospheric ozone layer. The training website is geared to educate and influence the city of Karachi officials on the subject of keeping landfill running and utilizing the MSW as a fuel in a waste to energy plant. The social, economic, and environmental implications of WTE plant would also help the city by generating much needed power at a very low cost since the raw material is available for free. Another objective of this training is to persuade investors to invest by considering the profitable prospects of this low cost power generation project. Coming to the homepage, it is a graphical representation of the world of trash. It does have introduction, what we will be doing. It's waste to energy, a solution to the cleaner world. Also shows the schematic of waste to energy plant and waste to energy turning trash into prosperity by Adil Khan, student of University of North Texas. These are the lessons. These are links to the web pages. There are a total of 14, 15 web pages on this website. The training starts with this humorous video. The purpose of this video is to catch the attention of my audience. I'll run the video. It's a less than a minute video. It talks about shows the plight of a poor husband who forgot to recycle his trash. What I'm trying to say here is that you don't want to be in the shoes of this poor husband who forgot to recycle and was trashed by his wife. The next page of this website is called Homo sapien. Homo sapien is the scientific name for the humans. It talks about the progression of the humans on this earth, that we came to this earth, or 6 million years ago. And then it talks about that what we will be learning from this website. It also talks about the United Nations Declaration of Human Rights, that every human being is born free and equal, the rights of freedom, the right of expression, and all those rights are listed here. I've included some videos, human rights violation around the world, and I'll run it a little. I don't have time to play all those videos now, but I'll go back to the next page, which talks about that the humans are the silent enemies of themselves. If we keep on doing, if we keep on trashing the world, then the human race is about to extinct. And we see that the most developed nations, they produce more than 25% of the entire world's carbon dioxide. Then it talks about the greenhouse effect by the generation of the greenhouse gases and what it does to the global warming. And I have a video on this subject. Then I show the I talk about the ozone layer crisis and the implication of global warming, and a small cartoon that the two sharks are talking that soon, because of the heat, uh, the ocean level will go up and we'll be able to eat this man. The NASA climate timetable time machine shows what happens to the Antarctic ice, and you can see how it is decreasing in size. There are other simulations on the level of seawater because of global warming, and we see that if we keep on doing what we are doing, then Miami and all these places like New Orleans, all those will will be underwater pretty soon. The next page is about I'll pass out these the vicious cycle. The world of trash, yes, the world of trash. It shows that how much trash we are producing. We produce about 1.3 billion tons of waste every year, which ends up in different places. Some of it goes to the landfills. It's being burned. Sometimes in underdeveloped countries, it's being burned in the open air. I'll show a small video. You can see that the trash is being burned in open air, and this video is amazing. And then the rest of the trash sometimes goes to recycling facilities, to composters, incinerators, and of course in the ocean. Video shows that how what happens to the oceans when we put the trash. This table shows us that it takes up to 1,000 years for a plastic bottle to decompose. Wow. The next uh, page is solution to this problem, and I'm giving a solution to this problem as a waste to energy facility, which burns trash and generates power. It talks about the benefits of a WTE facility, and this page talks about the plant itself. The schematic diagram shows the process, how the trash comes in and burns. The heat generated is absorbed by the boiler, which turns the water into steam. The steam turns the steam turbine, and the steam turbine uh, turns the generator, which generates power. These are the processes of the plant, and a small video talks about how the plant works. The next page is about the components of a WTE plant. The boiler, the steam generator, and all those components are listed here in detail. And this video shows the working of a steam turbine and how it transfers mechanical energy, uh, heat energy into mechanical energy. And then that in turn turns a generator which generates the power. This video shows the working of a power generator. Other components of the power plant. I have included a page that talks about the myths of a power plant, and another page which talks about the terms, glossary of the terms that which are being used on this website. These terms may not be people may not be familiar with these terms, so a small definition and description of these terms are here in this. Beside that, beside that, I've included a blog blog page that which is running two different blogs, one on the greenhouse effect and one on the waste to energy plant. No, it was not necessary. Maybe it